Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we want to present our final full report for our project, and the title is Smart Healthcare. The group member have 5. The first is Nuniza Adiana binti Muhammad Said. Second, Nurinadia binti Osman. Third, Intan Nur Syahira binti MD Zahid. Fourth, Dada Naufal bin Muhammad Razi. And 5, Muhammad Din Hakim bin Azhar, and that's me. For my part, I will present the abstract. We designed a smart system using Cisco Packet Tracer software for our project for smart control and smart healthcare of the patient. We use a variety of technological equipment. On the software, proper simulation is done for each patient. The packet tracer simulation is performed and discussed in the next session. Doctor may control and monitor their patient from afar by using the internet. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurinada. So we continue for the introduction Smart Healthcare. Smart Healthcare is a health service system that combines technology such as wearable devices, IoT, and mobile internet to dynamically access information, link people, materials, and institutions associated to healthcare, and then intelligently controls and responds to medical ecosystem demands. Smart Healthcare is more than simply a technology improvement, but it is a multi-level transformation. Smart Healthcare also may encourage interaction among all healthcare stakeholders, ensuring that participants receive the services they require, assisting parties in making informed decisions, and facilitating the logical allocation of resources. Next, Smart Healthcare also made from 3 major components, which is regional, hospital, and family. Smart hospital rely on information and communication technology-based settings, particularly those based on IoT optimization and automated operation to improve existing patient care procedure and introduce new features. Smart Hospital offer 3 categories of services, which is in service for medical staff, services for patient, and services for administrator. So that's all from me for introduction part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Intan Nur Syahira and I will explain the block diagram and topology. First of all, this is the block diagram which is listing all the major operations. The system starts with registration of patient at the main reception. If they haven't registered yet, so they need to register. And then if they have registered, the system will send the data according to the department, which is emergency, diagnosis and treatment, and also outpatient. Okay, and then the data will go to according to the department. And for diagnosis and treatment and also outpatient department, the data will go to the general ward. And then all the data from all the department will go to the main reception bag for billing counter. Okay, and then this is the topology diagram, which consists of 4 routers, 4 switch, and 8 PCs. Okay, so for now, we will go to the packet tracer. So for example, I will try to pin PC at main reception to emergency department. So from this main reception, I will pin 1, 2, so success, 100% loss. And then for next, I will try to pin from surgical unit to the general ward. So from the surgical unit, I will try to pin to general ward, which is 192.168.0.11. So the data is success to send to the general ward. And last, I will try to ping from the general ward to the main reception bag. So from this general ward, so I will ping. So the data also success to send to the main reception. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Next is the impact of this project to the society or environment. The first one is increasing the efficiency, convenience, and personalization of healthcare, where it will make things easier not only for doctors but also patients. The second one is smart healthcare can effectively reduce the cost and risk of the medical procedures, improve the usage of medical resources, promote multi-exchanges and cooperation, push the development of telemedicine and self-service medical care, and eventually make personalized medical services versatile. The third one is connected emergency response solutions. If there is an emergency, we can act and respond fast due to the availability of technology that allows us to interact virtually with doctors. This will make the patient's treatment procedure easier because the doctor already has the patient data. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So for the conclusion, the Smart Healthcare project is proving very beneficial in our society. The system that have been introduced can be used in many ways possible. One of the main examples is to speed up the registration process and payment, so patients will not have to wait in long lines to wait for their turns and pay their bills. Now, with the COVID-19 pandemic, payment and registrations can be conducted online to avoid crowding. Next, it will be easier to manage and monitor patients. Smart healthcare can monitor the basic important signs of patients, such as heart rate, body temperature, and some measure of the room conditions, like room humidity, the level of CO and CO2 gases. Other than that, this project can also benefit nurses and doctors as they can locate equipment or machines easily. They can keep track of their life-saving machines in which room and its availability. From patients' perspective, smart healthcare can facilitate better health self-management. Timely and appropriate medical services can be accessed when needed, and the content of medical services will be more personalized. For medical institutions, smart healthcare can reduce costs, relieve personnel pressure, achieve unified management of materials and information, and improve the patient's medical experience. For research institutions, smart healthcare can reduce the cost of research, reduce research time, and improve the overall efficiency of research. However, there are still some problems in the development process. The solution to these problems depend not only on technological progress, but also on the joint efforts of patients, doctors, health institutions, and technology companies. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So today we are going to present our assignment for subject Data Communication and Networking titled 6 Thinking Hats, where we need to do this assignment based on our project Smart Healthcare. The members in this group are Intan Nur Shahira, Uniza Eliana, Muhammad Daniel Hakim, Dara Naval, and Nuri Nadia. The first one is introduction. What is Six Thinking Hats? Six Thinking Hats is a technique that helps individuals and teams look at problems and situations from a variety of perspectives. Next, what is the function of each hat in these 6 thinking hats? The first one is blue hat, which manage the process using an agenda, goals, and problem or opportunity. The second hat is white hat, which focus on facts and data. Green hat looks for alternatives, new solutions, and creative ideas. The next one is yellow hat, which explores the value and benefits that an idea or solution can bring. Red hat considers gut feelings, both positive and negative. Last but not least is black hat, which it is relates to cautions and used for critical judgment.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So for now, I will explain about the blue hat, which is there are complaints about the healthcare system. So we are trying to solve the problem by improving the system and services. The benefits of having a systematic system and services will improve the healthcare productivity. And the most efficient way to solve the problem is to build a smart healthcare, which involves health service system that use technology such as wearable devices, IoT, and mobile internet.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So now I will explain the second hat, the white hat. The first one is smooth emergency management. With a smart healthcare system, data may be shared between ambulance, physicians, first responders, accident and emergency departments in a reasonable amount of time, allowing for real-time response. It enables better and faster communication, video chats with doctors from inside ambulance, shorter patient histories, and easier hospital admission with a predefined history and criteria. The second one is the goal of the design is to simplify, automate, and personalize regular processes in ensuring patient participation and give a better treatment experience, where it will provide connectivity between various departments inside a healthcare facilities as well as to the increased health environment devices and sensors collect and transmit real-time patient data to the control organizing platform.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Azhar. Today I want to present about the green hats. Group will become extremely happy and innovative when wearing the green hats. Now they will be on the lookout for ideas that aren't always conventional. They may attempt to respond to questions such as the first one is what are we missing? Can we fundamentally change the way we make the smart healthcare? Second, what are another smart healthcare doing and how can we do it better or different? And the third is could we 5S. The 5S is sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain in the workplace to make us leaner and more efficient. That's all for me. Thank you.
So now I will talk about the yellow hat. So the yellow hat is all about being optimistic and positive. So we will think about all the benefit that we can get from this network healthcare. So first of all, we have ease of access. So it will be easier for staff to manage their patient records and also doctor appointments. So and next, the staff can easily locate equipment, and all the patients, so they know where the equipment is put and which patients on which wards. And the third, we have a better facility. We can provide comfort and better experience for all our patients and all service.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nada. So we continue for the next slide, which is red hat. So basically the red hat is consider the gut feeling, both positive and negative side. So for the negative, the things that could go wrong is the dissatisfaction with medical healthcare services, which is inadequate healthcare service quality, such as services are not good quality, sales competency, such as healthcare is not professional. So for the positive side, the smart technology has the potential to dramatically revolutionize the way patients interact with hospital. So we continue for the next slide. Thank you.
Okay, now I will talk about the black hat. So the black hat is a careful and a cautious hat. So we will point out the things that we need to be careful and to be cautious of. So the first point is the single point of failure. So the topology that we are using is a star topology, where the multiple computers is connected to a single switch. So if one switch fails or malfunction, so the whole server, the whole connection of computer will be down and will be unusable. So the next one is the cost. So what is the cost for building and also maintaining the network route? We have to think that the cost will not be too expensive, as we have a limited source of income. So third one is cyber security. So we need to think about the security and prevent from the attack of any virus or malware. And also we need to keep the files and data of every patient safe and private. So we cannot leak any information about our patients.